Bobby.
Yeah, I thought you'd never ask.
What? Derek's got tools and shit, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
What are you using?
A screwdriver.
You got a Sawzall?
Don't lean on that because you're pushing it.
What's wrong with it? They won't come out?
No, it's just screwed in at an awkward ass angle because right here it's hard to do with my big ass fucking hands.
What are you talking about? Straighten the bed out. Oh. Bitch. You're gonna get this thing for another day?
You said what?
Are you gonna get this thing for another day, or are you coming back here to do it tonight if you can't get all them out?
What do you mean?
Didn't you say Derek has tools?
Yeah, does he have tools?
For what?
So I can...
This bed?
Yeah.
Yeah. I told you steal those.
Okay.
Fuck it.
No, those are hands.
So? Sell them on Craigslist.
I'm really half tempted to just sell it on Craigslist.
What, the bed?
Like the bed, everything. Just buy new shit. But I really love this bed. And then when I move next time, it won't be me having, yeah, they just moved this stuff and stuff to take it apart.
You could Sawzall it.
So what?
You could Sawzall your bed apart. What's a Sawzall?
A sawzall?
Yeah, it's like a saw. You hold it in your hand.
I just want a power fucking drill thing.
There probably is one here.
There isn't. Where's the fucking hammer? I can't believe I'm doing this after not sleeping.
You're doing a great job.
Shut your mouth. You're gonna want to get up now. Got one screw left.
Are those out? Is that side out? The screw? Okay, cool. Sweet.
I'm manly.
Hmm?